In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw from Binance to your bank account. So in order to do this, you're going to basically sell your crypto for cash, where you're going to provide your bank details to the buyer, and they are going to deposit your cash right into your bank account. So let's do this. Once you're on the home page, at the top left, click on the menu icon, and then you're going to select P2P. If it's that you don't find it here, you can just click on more services and search for it. So let's click on P2P. So when you do this, make sure you are on the sell tab. We're going to click on sell, and also you need to select the currency you like to use right here at the top right. So for me, I'm just going to stick with the USD. Now you're just going to select the cryptocurrency you're trying to sell. So I'm going to click right here, and you can see there are different currencies here: Bitcoin, USDC, and so on. For me, I'm going to be selling USDT. So when you do that, just scroll down and see a list of advertisers and different rates you can sell your coins. Let's click on this one right here to sell. So when you do that, you can enter the amount you're trying to sell either by USD or by USDT. Now it's time to select your payment method. You can just click right here on select payment method, and you can see there are different options here for bank. You can just click on bank transfer, and then you enter your bank details and you confirm. When you're done doing that, you just go ahead and place your order, and then you're going to be able to sell your crypto to cash and the money deposited in your bank account.